So when Natalee from Design of the Nines first asked me to create ornaments for the Ronald McDonald House in Florida, I immediately said yes. But then she sent me the inspirational photos and I saw it's a little bit out of my DIY comfort zone, some Candyland pink. Beautiful, just not my style. I didn't have anything on hand, so I had to go on down to my local Dollar Tree only to find out they had almost none of their Christmas stuff out yet. But no worries, I was able to shop the everyday aisles like the party, catering, even the toy section, improvise just a little bit, and I really love what I came up with. I really think you're gonna like it too, and with all that said, we're getting started right now. When I saw these yard balloon stakes at Dollar Tree, I knew I could make some type of sucker or lollipop out of them. And they're really great size. They say they come with 4, but it takes 2 to make 1 yard balloon stake. So you do have 8 stakes. I just painted mine pink and blue, added some duct tape, and one of the very few things I could find at my local Dollar Tree were these large ornaments. I know Dollar Tree does sell pink and light blue ornaments. Mine didn't have that in stock, so I picked up some of their party table covers, which perfectly match the candy thing that Natalee's going for. Wrapped the ornaments with the tablecloth, tied it off, and bada bing, bada boom, we got some really nice large size lollipops. These are really cute. I actually think these would also do well for a baby shower or like a gender reveal party, but they would also look really nice in a candy themed Christmas tree. Another idea using these table covers from Dollar Tree is to use some pool noodles, cut them down, wrap them up with the table cover. You just need to secure it with the smallest piece of tape and then use their pop-up stickers. They have many different kinds of these and put them all over your pool noodles. Cover it with some clear wrap, also found in the party section. And this is also a great Candyland themed easy DIY in my opinion. A little bit different than the typical pool noodle DIY. So if you grab some of these table mats, placemats from Dollar Tree, once again, all of this stuff is from Dollar Tree, okay? Minus the paint. You can paint them. I'm painting mine candy pink. I'm pretty much using the 2 same paint colors this entire video. I only needed 1 good thick coat on each side, but depending on what color your placemats were beforehand, you may need 2 coats or depending on what type of spray paint you use. Glue your 2 placemats together, but leave an opening at the bottom. And then you can grab some of the tube mesh from Dollar Tree. This is found in the crafting section, sometimes in the floral section. Hot glue that all the way around your placemat. It's really easy to do because the placemat already has that spiral look. So it's easy to kind of follow the outline. Add some Mod Podge and some of these really messy foam balls. Then for the bottom of this lollipop, I just use a wooden dowel, but you could also use one of Dollar Tree's broomsticks and then hot glue that bad boy on the inside of your suckers. Because remember, we didn't glue the 2 placemats together. So on the inside of your placemats, I should say. Add some more clear wrap and optional, you can add a bow. I think this would be really cute right next to the tree. I really love the way this turned out. I'm going to make some red and green for my outside, you know, more my style. But I think this can totally be customized to whatever your heart desires. I actually made some for Halloween. If you saw my last video, I think these are really cool. So when I went to Dollar Tree, I knew I wanted to make some type of cupcake ornament. I saw these little ice cream cups. I think they're perfect for the bottom of the cupcake. And then it took me a second to figure out what I need to use for the top. But these little 12-pack of catering bowls in the catering or party section fit perfectly on the cupcake. You just hot glue them together. Grab some of Dollar Tree's colorful beads, or any beads really, paint it red, or pick a red bead out of Dollar Tree's bag and just hot glue that to the top of your cupcake. For the icing, we're just going to use spackle. We're not doing any of the decorative cake, squeezing it out of a bag. You can just wipe it on, it'll smooth out. Even if it looks really messy, as the spackle starts to settle and dry, it does smooth out. But even so, it's great if it's still kind of rough. It gives it more of that natural look. Take some of Dollar Tree's confetti, and we're using that as our sprinkles. Sprinkle that all over the cupcake. And that is it. You just wait for it to dry until we can add the little hanger for our ornament. You can also paint the bottom of the cupcake. So I made 2 that were blue, and then I painted 2 of them the same pink. I've used this whole video, that I'm going to use this whole video. It's called Candy Pink by Rust-Oleum. Only one little quick coat of spray paint. It took spray paint super well. And then once they are dry, which will take about a day, depending on how thick you layer up your spackle, you can hot glue a hanger on top, and I would suggest sealing it with some type of Mod Podge or clear spray paint is what I used to hold in the sprinkles and to keep the spackle from cracking. And that is it. So I picked up a box of Tumbling Tower Game, aka miniature Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint them the same 2 colors I've used this whole video, which is Candy Pink, Aqua Blue. I borrowed a can of yellow spray paint from my neighbor, and I did spray some of the blocks white. Sorry, box blocks. I spray painted some of the blocks white. Then just using gel super glue, I glued them together in little lines to make a candy-like look. Picked up some mesh ribbon and tied that around with some of the party ribbon. You know that you use scissors and you slide it down the ribbon to make it curly. Ta-da! We have little candy ornaments. You can hang these, I mean, the mesh ribbon kind of sticks to a tree anyways, or you could also glue a little hanger on the inside of the ornament or on the back of the ornament, but the mesh will kind of stick to your tree just as is. Now, if you would like to help, we would love your help. If you want to make ornaments for this Ronald McDonald House Christmas tree. Natalee from Design to the Nines will have more information on her channel, but here's where the ornaments need to be mailed to, and the date it needs to be mailed by is November 10th. And if you're just digging all things Christmas, I have an entire playlist of Christmas DIYs, and there will definitely be more to come. Thank you so much for watching, my friend, and I will catch you next time.